Hi, this is Ellen from TSG. Today I will be demonstrating the enhanced reporting functionality that was recently added to OCMS. Here I am in OCMS logged in as a claims user. This user has 4 dashlets available to them on the front page, all relating to processing of their claims. Inbox, recent claims they've accessed, and a claim index queue. When I switch over to the Reports tab, I am also now displayed reports that are specific to my claims user. I have the ability to rearrange my report widgets. When I exit OCMS or jump to other areas of the application, you will see that these updates that I'm making now will remain. So if I go to Search and back to Dashboard and click on Reports, I will see that my recently opened claims remain on the left-hand side. I can always click on User Preferences in the upper right-hand screen to make additional updates. I have the ability to show and hide widgets both on the home screen and in the Reports area, as well as reset the dashlet order to be the default settings. Now, when I return back to my dashboard, I will see I no longer have that documents modified in the last 90 days. And when I go back to my dashboard, my report order is reset. Let's look a little more closely at the recently opened claims report. By default, it is displaying claims that were opened in the last 30 days. I'm going to make an update to display claims in the last 60 days, as well as I have the ability to update the different time intervals. I will re-execute the report and claim data over 60 days. I can click on any one of these bars within the report and I will be taken to the search screen and displayed the claims that match my criteria. I will now return back to my reporting screen. And I also want to point out that I have the ability to view all the documents in the report below, rather than just a specific section. When I click on View All Documents, I'm displayed all the claims that were opened over the last month. I will now log out and log back in as a quality user. And you will notice when I log in that I will be taken to a home page that looks a little bit different. Both the home page and the reports now have widgets that are more specific to the quality documents. For example, I have documents that were recently approved, maybe all of my quality documents broken down by status, 41% in draft, 23% approved, 32% effective. And I also have a report over here, or 2 different reports that talk about periodic review. The top report displays the documents with an upcoming periodic review date in the next 30 days in a bar chart format. All the documents are broken down based on department. If I want to focus on a specific department, such as purchasing, I will click on that part of the report. I will be taken to a search results screen and displayed all the purchasing documents with an upcoming periodic review date in the next 30 days. I can choose to view additional information, such as the creator, and I can see that Dhruv is the owner of these documents, and I should contact him to get current status. Let's now return back to the reporting screen one more time. And I want to point out that I have 2 reports here dealing with documents approaching their periodic review. One is in that bar chart format, and we've been looking at it. You saw how I have the ability to click on a component of the report and be taken to the search screen and be displayed those results, and how I also have the ability to view all documents in this report. I also have a nice visual display here grouping documents in by whatever I choose. I have chosen in this case to group them by department, but you could group them by owner, cost center, etc. I have the same information displayed in a slightly different manner. I have it more in a list format. Um, from here, I am displayed a list of documents that are approaching their periodic review date in the next 30 days. I can choose what information I want. Maybe it's name, version, and upcoming date. I could also choose to display the title. From this report, the only capability I have is the ability to click on a document. When I'm taken to that document, I see the document, I can view that it's effective, so I can see no one is working on it. There's not a draft version out there. And I should probably get in touch with the person to start working on it. Well, thanks for your time today. And for more information on reporting and OCMS in general, please visit our website at www.tsgrp.com.